You're welcome to Chef and Fitness. Hi guys, today we're coming to do snapper fish. We are going to grill it in the continental way. So just stay back and relax. I've already cleaned the fish, taken off the shell and cut it because you're going to put it into an aluminium foil. So now I added my salt and black pepper. And as you can see, I was making sure it was entering every part of the fish. This fish weighs 1.5 kg. That's huge. I'm adding my ginger powder, and like I did with the black pepper and salt, that is exactly what I was going to do. I know you can see some smoke coming because I'm doing the fish outside. In order to avoid flies, I created a smoke that will put the flies away. So I'm using seasonal salt. Yeah, I usually prefer seasonal salt for my continental dishes so that it gets that kind of continental feel with it. And I intentionally did not fillet the fish because I really want my client to enjoy it so well. I rubbed it, added my onion powder to it, and note this, when you're doing continental dishes, especially when it comes to fish, you don't have to let the spice overpower the fish, because once the spices overpower it, you don't get the taste of the fish. You change it. And note that every type of fish has its own unique taste, and that is what you want to bring it out. I'm adding oregano, dry oregano to it. Adding dry parsley to it. added oyster sauce to it. And you see, I was doing it both sides. When you apply it on one side, it's on the other side, and you put some inside the fish as well. Oyster is good. And note this, I did not use Maggi. I use oyster. We have to learn to cook healthy. But also, if the person has BP or whatever health condition, the person can take it because it's healthy. So I'll clean from it and set it aside inside the fridge for 30 minutes. Whilst on this, I've set my oven on about 360 degrees so that it will be hot. Then put it inside a cling film. Then add butter, olive oil, lime, crushed garlic, fresh parsley, fresh dill. Then inside the oven. After 45 minutes, it should be done, and this is what you get. I just love the flames. It is so good. Everything is in portion. Everything like. So I'm serving this snapper fish with mashed potatoes. Please comment when you try it. Let us know that you tried it and share. If you want to eat fish, eat it big. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share and like and follow. Thank you very much. Please